Walaikum assalam. How are you?
I'm doing well.
Okay. Won't you ask me?
How are you?
I'm fine, Alhamdulillah. Okay, what's your name?
My name is Bingley.
Bingley? How old are you?
I am 10 years old.
10 years old. Where are you from?
I am from Dhaka.
Oh, you are from Dhaka.
Yes,
Where do you live?
I live in Dhaka.
You live in Dhaka.
Yes,
But where? Dhaka is a big city. Where do you live?
in Mirpur.
You live in Mirpur.
Yes,
Okay. You can say I live at Mirpur in Dhaka.
I live at Mirpur in Dhaka.
Very well done. Bingley, how many brothers and sisters do you have?
No, I don't have.
You don't have any brother or sister, right?
No,
I can also ask you like, do you have any siblings? Siblings অর্থ কিন্তু ভাই বোন বুঝায়।
I know.
Wow, you are intelligent boy. Are you happy, Bingley?
Yes, I'm happy.
MashaAllah. What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is white and
Wow.
black also.
Black also.
Yes,
Thank you so much, Bingley, for coming here.
thank you.
If I say thank you, you should say it's my pleasure.
It's my pleasure.
You can also say you are welcome.
You are welcome.
You can also say no problem.
No problem.
Very good, Bingley. Today you have learned lots of things.
Yes.
Bye, Bingley.
Bye.